أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Here we are again in Pakistan International School Taif virtual learning system. So this is our social studies book for class 5, as you know very well, and we are following this and we are learning the chapters of this book. Welcome you all. Again, we are starting the second term classes, and today we are starting our lesson number 11, Industrial Development. We will read and also I will give you its explanation where it is necessary. Pakistan began with a weak industrial base, but gradually various type of industries were set up. Major industries growth took place in the 1960s. Each government has encouraged the use of local raw material and the development of cottage industries. Today, there are several industrial units run by the government and private companies. They manufacture a wide range of products for local use and export and provide employment for large section of population. So guys, here is the map showing the location of industries in Pakistan. So these are the key points. If you follow this map and if you want to find the what type of industry and located in which province and which district of Pakistan, you can easily find from this map location and these key points. So first, we are talking about the cotton. Cotton textile from the largest industry in Pakistan, which imply about 40% of the industrial workforce. In 1948, there were only 75,000 spindles and 3,000 looms in Pakistan. Spindles and looms, it is important to understand. So spindles is a straight spike usually made from the wood and used for spinning or twisting fibers such as wool, flax, and hemp, cotton into the yarn. So these are called the spindles, and you know very well about these spindles, and mostly in our houses it is the thread is used, and it is and these are called the spindles, straight spike usually made from the wood, which is used for spinning or twisting fibers on it. And the other thing which we call it 3,000 looms in Pakistan. What is the meaning and what are the looms? Looms are types of the machines which are used to make the different type of the cloth making machines. So these are the machines which are used to make different type of the cloths, and these machines are called the looms. So in 1948, there were 48,000 spindles and we have only 3,000 looms in Pakistan. But today, there are about 500 mills, over 10 million spindles, and over 25,000 looms producing cotton yarn and cloth. Karachi is the largest cotton textile center, following by the Faisalabad and Hyderabad. In many places, there are power looms on which towels, hosiery, and canvas are produced. Other main industry is woolen textiles. Pakistan has the raw material for the production of woolen goods, blankets, shawls, and twids are made from the wool. In 1947, there was only one woolen unit in Pakistan. Now there are 70 which produce raw wool and woolen fabrics. Their production fulfills Pakistan's need for hosiery, shawls, and carpets. The major woolen textile centers are at Harnai, Mastung, and Balochistan, Bannu and Noshara in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, or KPK, which we call, Qaidabad, Lawrencepur, Rawalpindi, and Sahiwal in the Punjab, and Karachi, Hyderabad, and Larkana in Sindh. These are the major textile centers. Beautiful carpets are made in Pakistan. They are hand knotted, are machine made, and are exported all over the world. Carpets are one of our leading export items. So look, and these are the woolen made textile, different type of the wool, like as a towels and the different type of the things you can see from this picture very well. These are the woolen fabrics and raw wool. Art silk. Art silk is artificial silk. Pakistan imports art silk yarn, produces a significant quantity of art silk textile and exports them. There are over 90,000 looms installed throughout the country. Centers of art silk industry are based in Karachi, Gujranwala, Multan, and Faisalabad. Next, we talk about and read about the jute. So these products are called the jute. So what is jute? Jute is the name of a plant or a fiber used to make burlap. So jute is a name of the plant or fiber used to make different things. In 1947, when Pakistan became independent, it was the world's largest producer of jute. World's largest. The jute was all grown in East Pakistan. So now, we talk about here, it is a type of a plant. The jute was all grown in East Pakistan as most of the jute mills were there. In 1964, the first jute mill in West Pakistan was set up in Kotri when East Pakistan became a separate country, Bangladesh, in 1971. There were already 4 jute mills in West Pakistan. Now there are 12 jute mills. The bulk of raw material, however, still comes from Bangladesh. For jute raw material, mostly it's big fields of a jute plant are located in Bangladesh. So we have to export. Chemicals. Basic chemicals such as sulfuric acid, soda ash, and caustic soda are used in many of our industries. For example, sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of soap, paper, textile, fertilizers, and iron and steel. Pakistan has the raw materials to make these, so its chemical industries have grown over the years. A number of sulfuric acid plants are in Karachi, Daud Khair, Rawalpindi, and Faisalabad. Soda ash is processed at Karachi and Khevda. Caustic soda, a basic chemical for textile and the oil refining industries, is processed at Noshara and Kalasha. So these are the different type of the chemical produced in Pakistan. Vegetable ghee and cooking oil. In 1949, there were two units producing ghee and output was 4,000 tons. Today, there are numerous units producing over 1 million tons. The raw material for cooking oil and ghee is edible oil, 75% of which has to be imported. Major centers of ghee and oil industries are in Karachi, Nawab Shah, Rahim Yar Khan, Bahawalpur, Haripur, and Dargai. Fertilizers. Natural fertilizers such as cow dung and com- compost, compost and manure have always been in short supply. So our farmers have to use chemical fertilizers. Look at these. So fertilizers is very important for soil to grow a good crops. So mostly in Pakistan, the animal fertilizers are used, but the animal fertilizers are not enough for our crops because of why we are using the chemical fertilizers. So these are this is the, you can see in a picture in this one, these are the different type of the chemical fertilizers which are used to increase the soil enrichment. The first two chemical fertilizer plants were built at Daud Khair and Faisalabad. There are now many more fertilizer factories. However, their production is not enough to satisfy the demand. So fertilizers have to be imported. In 2005 and 6, Pakistan produced 2,136,000 tons and had to import another 555,000 tons of fertilizers. So this is the end of our first part of our unit number 11. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will complete this lesson and also we will complete its work page also. So till then, thank you very much and wish you all the best.